तो जी ये व्लॉग है आज से 3 साल पहले अभिवृद्धि फार्म्स नाम के एक प्रोजेक्ट पे मैंने जो इन्वेस्टमेंट की थी उसके प्रोग्रेस का। ये होसाची गुरु की तरफ से कोई पेड प्रमोशन नहीं है, ये मैं अपने विलिंगनेस से बना रहा हूँ ताकि मेरे जैसे और जो बायर हैं वो अपनी हार्ड एंड मनी या फिर पर्सनल लोन लेकर के जो प्रॉपर्टी और फार्म लैंड में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं उनको एटलीस्ट ये पता हो कि which is the project which is suitable for them to invest in and which is not. Might be और project भी होंगे जो कि अच्छा रिटर्न दे रहे हैं, but I would talk about mine ताकि एटलीस्ट होसाची गुरु के बारे में आप लोगों को एक फेयर डिसीजन लेने का मौका मिले। एटलीस्ट आपको ये तजुर्बा हो कि आप होसाची गुरु को किसी और से कंपेयर कर सकते हैं अबाउट अ पर्सन हु इज शेयरिंग द लास्ट 3 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस एंड द एक्चुअल फुटेज ऑफ हिज फार्म लैंड एंड उसका कैसा प्रोग्रेस है, पेड़ कितने बड़े हो गए, हाउ इट इज़ बीइंग टेकन केयर ऑफ। सो let's have a look. This is the property which we are staying right now, which is inside the Abhiruddhi only. ये recently बना है and we have came here for the first time to stay for 2 nights. So we are back again to our farmland in Hosachi Guru and look at the plant condition after 3 years of not hours 3 years of plantation. So most of the trees has gone above my height is somewhere around 185 6 feet and it's above my height. This is chandan bhaiya, right? Or leguminous for chandan?
So this is the sandalwood here.
This is sandalwood.
Santalum album, its scientific name. So it is generally called as white sandalwood.
Okay. And right now it doesn't need any leguminous plant for support or?
Yeah, it is. The host is there. This is called as Gliricidia.
Okay.
We have planted for every sandalwood. In between the means the spacing between 2 sandalwood is 10 feet. In between 2 sandalwood we have planted 1 Gliricidia host for the sandalwood.
Okay.
So for every 8 sandalwood there will be a fruit plant, as you know, that is the mango here,
Uh-huh.
which is here. So these mangoes were as permanent host for this sandalwood.
And how frequently like you pull off this grass or it remains actually to keep
in Hosachi Guru we will do weeding yearly twice. So
Yearly
in the
twice.
rainy season, before the rainy season we will complete the weeding. If you see, there is no grass here. So we can able to walk clearly.
Yes.
So not only we in Hosachi Guru we didn't uproot anything. So we will
use it as a manure.
Yes, we have the equipment called cup cadet and mulcher. What it will do is it will cut this grass and it will roll along the soil. So the sunlight which was falling from the sun doesn't touch the earth. So whatever the microbes present in the soil will remain same. And over a period of time this grass get decomposed and it acts as a mulch.
Yes, earlier you, like the last year as well, you have explained about the mulching, which I have
For example, if you
uploaded
see
on
here,
my channel.
this is totally mulch. This is totally mulch. This is totally mulch.
Yes.
So it holds the moisture. If you touch here, you can feel there. You see,
Yes.
this is the moisture.
It is wet actually.
Yeah, this is the moisture level present. And also this mulch, see, all the grasses has been decomposed. Grasses, wood chips and all. So we are we are doing this carbon, enriching the soil with more carbon and more humus percentage into the soil. We are creating an environment for the microbes to grow. This is a food for the microbes.
Yes.
Mulch.
And all of the plants are with the drip irrigation. So how frequently you open up this water like for this drip irrigation, or it's all time open?
Daily 1.5 hour to 2 hour based on the sunlight we will go for irrigation.
Okay, the drip irrigation.
Frequently
पहले ये पाइप नहीं था ना बेबो? लास्ट ईयर नहीं था ना?
So
these are pipes
previously
are
we
new.
have this black drip lines.
These pipes are new, that's why.
So this is from Revelis, we have bought from Israel. So this is a inline drip system. So for every 50 centimeter there will be one hole which is fitted inside itself.
Yeah, last.
Take this pipe. This is the hole.
Yes,
From
yes.
here to here, the hole will be there.
Every 50 centimeter. Okay.
Centimeters there will be a hole.
हाँ वो ड्रिप इरिगेशन है ना इसमें.
So now the plants are growing big, and the roots was keep on spreading. So the biomass needed to be established. So we changed those black drips to white drips, and also outline to inline. So
Right,
that is
right.
why we have changed it.
सैंडलवुड तो बहुत बड़ा हो गया. This was the one with which we clicked the photo last year. ये तो बहुत ऊपर चला गया. तो बहुत ऊपर है.
So how long will it take? मतलब
Ma'am, 18 to 20 years it will take to harvest. From the 7 to 8 years, the hardwood start forming, sandwood oil starts forming, and 18 to 20 years depends upon the plant. We can go for harvesting. Maturity of the hardwood, we can go for harvesting.
and what is the current rate of sandalwood?
And rate it will be not as per around 2000 per kg for the hardwood.
And that oil?
Oil I don't know. In Amazon we can find out 1 ml or
No,
2
I
ml.
bought
Yeah,
4,000
Yes, yes.
4,000
it
rupees
is
100
it is very expensive.
So one tree, how many liters? मतलब how much oil is there?
He has to confirm. He's not sure about. And the mango trees are full. Still, we don't have that
Sir, yesterday only the harvesting has been done.
mangoes.
So totally these boxes were sent to office. So from office we can get those mangoes.
Okay, you have already
Yeah,
plugged it.
yesterday only we have harvested and we have shared.
You have
to-
already plugged. Okay, okay. That's why. There's most of the.
So you can see the mulch, those leaves and all. You can see the bouncy effect.
Yes, yes. So, we can see the sandalwood, but most of the teak woods are dried or.
No. Teak wood.
There are some. There are on that side, but here this side the teak wood is not there.
Yeah,
It's
this
only sandalwood and mangoes.
That side the teak is there.
Yes.
So
So
as per the planting pattern only we have planted those. As per the layout itself we have planted.
okay. Which plant is this?
Which one? That is the casuarina.
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 What's the purpose? Like it's again a
That is
leguminous
That is also a host for the sand.
host. Sandalwood. Okay. Yeah. It's just nearby to the sandalwood. Gone quite big. And today the weather in Andhra is quite pleasant. Otherwise it would have been somewhere around 41 degrees Celsius. So here it ends. And yes, if you see that particular pillar, from that particular pillar till the road or the taller tree planted over there, that's 0.57 acre. So it's a quite big land, and somewhere around 154 that we have counted last year. So some of the trees keep on drying. They have to replant it, and the one which have survived, you can see already that they have risen above my height. They are most like, this is a host plant which is sustaining the sandalwood. But even if we talk not about the host, this just the sandalwood, few of them which are surviving from last 4 years and haven't got replanted, they have gone beyond 10 feet. All of this, the small one that you see, these have been replanted again, so they keep on track of it. And the number of plants that you have signed in the agreement, they actually try to maintain it. So it's not necessary that after 15 years you will get 150 plants to be shredded and to be ready to sell off. But yeah, might be 80 or 90% would be ripening off at the same point of time. So ये at the time when I have purchased, phase 1 and phase 2 was of 200 acres. Now they have grown to 600 acres and they are still expanding. And it's a reliable one. Bebo, how does it look like?
Good.
Any major difference that you see apart
Few
from?
trees have grown. and I'm not able to see teak plants.
Teak plants are on that side and on this side actually. That's what I was even observing. So on the last row.
In the center, total
Is
in your
sandal.
plot,
Sandal.
80% of sandal and 20%
125
of teak.
plants I said for
Yeah.
sandalwood and 20 teak plants.
Yes, yes, yes. That's what I'm saying.
Some
So-
custard apples, 1-2 figs like
Yes,
that.
yes.
Yes. So we were talking about this mulching and all those stuff. So this all the mangoes have been already plugged like day before yesterday. So it's in the office now.
Which office?
Hosachiguru office, main office. From there they will call you. So if you want office pickup, you can pick up from there, or else if you want home
They
delivery.
will get home delivery then.
So let's have a look of the teak wood of this side, how the teak wood is growing, because this is the hybrid teak wood. It's not the proper one. It grows fast and within 12 to 15 years it's ready to be shredded or cut. So teak wood are not progressing in that faster pace, but ब्रिस्टल कोन जाते थे ना हम, वो वाला जो है ब्रिस्टल कोन के टीक वुड आर इन गुड शेप.
But I think
So
that is
the
3 years.
oldest project. See, before Abhiruddhi it has been started.
Okay.
By the time we came here, it was all sold out.
But if you talk about even teak wood, they are somewhere around 7 feet of height. Yes. मेरे से तो ऊपर है.
देखो,
At
देखो,
least
इधर देखो.
7 feet of height. So some of them are below 6 feet. बाकी तो if you talk about this one, so even this हाँ ये भी हमारे उसके अंदर ही है. So this is somewhere around 10 feet if you see. तो ये 10 feet के ऊपर पहुंच गया है. And these are because of caterpillars or what भैया? ये this leaves.
So that is like that effect is due to the skeletonizer. So for that only we have done this preventive spray. So you can't see any skeletonizer. The effect is there after spraying. No skeletonizer, no caterpillar you can see here. These leaves are fresh. So for this, every month we have this preventive spray. We have the schedule of what the pest will come. We have this month yearly calendar. So in 3 months what the pest will come. In this month what will come. So for that, before only the preventive spray will be there. We will discuss with our senior agronomist sir, Rashekar sir, and then we will finalize with Hemant sir and Ashok sir. Then we will go for immediately spray action.
Okay.
Preventive spray will be there. After preventive spray we can't see anything. No. These are pest free.
What was done earlier. Now there is no further
Yeah.
harm
So
on
neem astra has been sprayed.
Okay, it's all organic.
Organic.
Okay. So on this side of the plot and on the other edge of the plot we have teak wood, and here is where our boundary ends. So we are standing on the edge of our plot. From here till there, that's the width, and from here till there, that is the length of the plot. So this tree belongs to our side, right?
Yes.
And what about that mango? 50-50?
It will be.
तो मैंगो भाई उसमें आधा इधर का, जिस साइड ज़्यादा होगा वो अपना है. पेड़ को घुमा देंगे.
India, what is the tree rate now? Fully grown tree?
I don't know regarding the log.
It would be somewhere around 1.2 or 1.3. 82,000 was in 21.
Teak plant का.
Yes.
का.
हाँ 82,000 तब था. अभी 1.2 लाख से 1.3 लाख है. But we have to check because वो डिपेंड मार्केट पे करता है. So this was the progress. Tomorrow morning, not today because I was on office. Tomorrow morning I'll fly my drone and I will show you how it does look like from above. एक मैंगो ट्री है जिसका अभी आम तोड़ा नहीं गया है, तो you can see how does it looks like. And this is भैया अल्फांसो और बादामी.
Sir, that is Banginapalli.
Banginapalli.
Penisha.
Okay. This is Karnataka local or breed or
No. That is almost all over India famous, that is Bangarapalli or Benisha.
Okay.
So while yesterday we have done this harvesting, these fruits are needed to be matured.
Ah,
we
that's
didn't
why
harvest
it's
it.
totally green.
Yeah, we didn't harvest it.
Yes.
So these will come under this third harvest.
So if you look onto the size of this plant, this is so small and have so much of mangoes actually fully laden with it. And same goes with every plant over here. So that's how actually they are.
Solution. This is the head solution which is previously used for this poultry feed and all. So now we have sown this for this soil, means preventing the soil erosion and also fixing this nitrogen.
Okay. What it is called?
Head solution.
Head solution.
And also it is a support for the sandalwood.
Okay.
This is the head solution.
So if you look onto this plant, they are good capable of fixing out the lost nitrogen of the soil.
This is another plant called Subabul.
Okay.
This is also fixes this nitrogen.
So mango trees need high content of nitrogen, right? Or
Yes, every fruit plant need a lot of nitrogen. Why? Because nutrients means from the soil it will take the nutrients and it will keep in the fruits and flowers.
okay. Yes, this is a big tree of mango. Have good trunks. This has been plugged. No mangoes left. Okay, that was the only tree I think that on which we could see the mangoes were left out because they were not fully ripen up. Yeah, rest of the mango trees are
Yes.
being plugged.
Yesterday
Yes.
only we have harvested around 130 boxes we have sent to office.
Oh, nice. And look onto the weather, it's good actually. That's why at somewhere around 4:30, 4 o'clock in the afternoon we are enjoying this particular farm visit. So earlier that particular side was closed, but I think that you have extended from that side as well. Right?
Another 30 acres we have purchased.
Yeah, so that side as well is
Now the
occupied.
marking and all was going on.
Okay,
So there
it's already sold out.
No. Now it is marking. The marking and all going on. After this marking and all survey, then from the office the sales team will decide.
What would be the price and all
Yes,
those
yes.
things. Okay. So that was all from my farm visit. It's actually a trusted organization for.
So this is has been mortality. So we replanted the teak plant, and
Yeah.
it is sprouting.
So this is how actually they take care of the plant which get dried up or.
Along with lot of mulch. You can't see that. This is the soil. This is the soil application. See, this is the nutrient. This is the purvam and lot of carbon mixture along with biochar. So we have applied around the plant and covered with mulch.
Nice.
So wherever you see, you can't see the ground surface. It is totally covered by this grass, native weeds and mulch.
Yes, exactly. And then we went for some co-curricular activities across the farm because there are cycles available for it. और उसके बाद तो भाई साहब ये सनसेट और सनसेट के साथ ही मौसम ने ऐसी करवट ली दैट इट बिकेम वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इवनिंग दैट आई हैड इन द लास्ट 3 years स्टेइंग ओवर हेयर इन होसाचीगुरु. और सिर्फ मैं होसाचीगुरु की बात नहीं कर रहा, होसाचीगुरु के जितने भी यहाँ पे कॉटेजेस एंड रिजॉर्ट एंड प्रॉपर्टी है वहाँ पे मैं रुक चुका हूँ. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दिस वॉज द बेस्ट इवनिंग बिकॉज द लाइटनिंग शो दैट आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू, आई एम श्योर दैट ऐसा लाइटनिंग शो आपने कभी नहीं देखा होगा. हैव अ लुक. And with this, my weekend trip, not exactly weekend because we were staying on Thursday and Friday, so our trip has ended. And while going back to home, we obviously went from the Lipakshi side and went to Veerbhadra temple and to the Isha Foundation Adi Yogi as well. आदियोगी से कुछ पुराना रिश्ता है, मतलब वी हैव विजिटेड 2 times ऑन टू द कोयम्बटूर एंड दिस वाज द सेकंड विजिट ऑफ द चिकबल्लापुर एज वेल। तो ये तो करते रहेंगे, लेकिन हाँ, आई मस्ट से दैट यू नीड एन आइसोलेशन, नेवर माइंड दैट वेदर यू ओन अ प्रॉपर्टी और नॉट, बट आपको ना कोई एक ऐसा आइसोलेटेड जगह चाहिए जहाँ पे इतनी ज़्यादा सुकून हो कि 2 दिन की डिटॉक्सिकेशन आपको 2 महीने तक काम करने के लिए जुनून और ऊर्जा दे जाए। विद दैट बीइंग सेड, साइनिंग ऑफ फॉर नाउ, योर RV RJ।